But they said they all had the answers to where life started. Each one of the hard sciences, where life started. Let's take chemistry. They said life started at where? The nucleus of an atom, right? And what went around the nucleus of an atom? Does anybody remember? Electrons, excellent. The size of the atom was 10 to the minus 10. That's very, very small. But I used to ask my teacher, you know, where does that come from? Where does that come from? And they'd say, well, and they start explaining, and I found out if you go to 10 to the minus 33, the atom becomes so small it implodes upon itself, becomes a black hole, ceases to exist. They got something from nothing, but they couldn't answer that. So then I went out to the physicist, and the physicist says life starts at a single point. They called it singularity, and they said with a big bang, the universe exploded out. Now, we do know the universe is continuing to expand, and we do know that it is slowing down as it expands. But I've talked to some of the top physicists from Caltech in Los Angeles. They said there's one thing we don't know. We don't know what happened the first 3 minutes. No joke, 3 minutes. We know 3 minutes to now, it all makes sense. But we have no idea what happened the first 3 minutes. So then I went over to the biologist, and the biologist said life started at a single cell. Single cell. And after 2 billion years, 2 billion, it evolved into a 2-cell structure. But what the biologist couldn't answer was called the Cambrian population explosion, where in just 5 million years, we went from 2 cells to all 36 body types currently in existence. That was supposed to take another 2 billion years. It only lasted 5 million. But they couldn't answer that. And somehow, we ended up at man. What are they leaving out?